I did more or less 450, 460 kilometers from Pretoria to Vryburg. Got some rain on the road, nothing too bad. Got a bit wet and then the wind dried me out again. So I arrived here at about 3:30, 4 o'clock. Nice place to stay, Castello. It's a nice sunny day and it's nice. It's a nice nice venue, nice big stand, lots of grass, very nice. And look at nice blue sky. It's going to be a beautiful day for riding. Today I am riding from Vryburg to Upington, just over 400 k's. I'll have breakfast here 8 o'clock and we'll see how it goes. I'll slowly get all my gear and stuff. Well, it's almost packed and ready, but what I can I'll put on the bike so long. And there I see a visitor. Hello, Buddha. Hello. Look at the beautiful eyes on this one. Hello. Hello, hello. Oh, there are two. Hello. Beautiful eyes. I wouldn't go too close. They may be, you know, those friendly ones that when you stroke them they bite your hand off. But I doubt. Anyways, that's the neighbors. Let me show you on the map where I have traveled. I came from Pretoria and I traveled east. No, sorry man. And I traveled west to Zeerust, and from Zeerust we traveled down. I traveled down to Vryheid, slept there, and then on to Upington. I'm here. This is the third day of the trip. I'm leaving Upington today, and I will cross into Namibia. It's the Nakop border crossing, and from there I will go up to Keetmanshoop, where I will sleep tonight. So the first hurdle will be the border crossing between South Africa and Namibia. I don't think it will be a difficulty. I have passed there many years ago. A beautiful country. Yeah, my bike is packed. It's a lot of luggage to pack every time, but I'm getting quicker in the process, and it goes easier. I find places for stuff that I used to for the past 2 days battle with to get a hole to put it in. There it is, all packed, and I don't feel that the luggage is too much or too heavy or it throws me off balance. Fortunately not. Yesterday afternoon when I drove into Upington, it was 36 degrees Celsius, which is quite hot, and Namibia could also be a scorcher, but we'll see. We'll see. In any case, that's the day, and that's the noisy road, but I slept like a baby. No hassle at all, and then I'll see you later. Let's see what happens. Cheers. One of the funny things that you come across in Northern Cape and in Namibia are these family I think it's a weaver, I'm not sure. But look at the nest they make. On the telephone poles, they make a nest, and there's a whole family living in that nest. There's one all along the, and I've passed a couple, but it's so strange. And you can see the nest, the entrances to the nest. They all fly out. There's one. Yeah, there they are. It is so strange. Sometimes it gets so heavy that the pole topples, and obviously then the whole village is gone. They've got to start anew on a new pole. But it's so fascinating. In Afrikaans we call it a familievoëlnest, a family bird nest, and I think it's weavers, but they make a nice family house on top of the telephone poles. Okay, so I have arrived at the Nakop border crossing, and I'm just waiting my turn to see the police. That's where you start. But in the meantime, check this out. That's the grass they have, and they say keep off keep off the grass. And this is the weather forecast. If the stone is wet, it's raining. If the stone is if it's warm, the sun is shining. White, it's snowing. Moving, the wind is blowing. Misty, it's mist. Straightforward, can't get better. This is the 4th day of my trip, and I slept last night in Keetmanshoop. Very nice, beautiful place to sleep. Nice and quiet, had a good sleep, and I'll show you now on the map where I am and where I'm going. And today I'm going to tackle this to Windhoek. It's about 498 kilometers. 2 days in Windhoek, and could be hot. Yesterday at the last entrance into Keetmanshoop it was 40 degrees. That's quite hot. Anyways, that's the start of the 4th day, and I hope you travel with me. Cheers. Daar's hy, welkom in Mariental. Hier is ek nou in Mariental. En hier kan ek nou eers 'n bietjie bene rek. Koeldrankie drink. Het al heel pad gery en dink, "Jesus, ek is lus vir 'n roomys." Ek dink ek gaan vir my roomys koop. Ja, ice cream will do.